ओंकारं बिंदु संयुक्तम् नित्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिनः कामदं मोक्षदं चैव ओंकाराय नमो नमः।
मंगलं भगवान् वीरो मंगलं गौतमो गणी मंगलं कुंद कुंदार्यो जैन धर्मोस्तु मंगलम्।
Jain religion is eternal, like the eternal and universal truth that permeates the cosmos. Lord Adinath revived it in the language of the people when this truth was vanishing in his age. Therefore, Lord Rishabhdev is known as the founder of Jain religion. Everyone is familiar with the story of the birth of Lord Adinath. Mother Marudevi had 16 dreams. King Nabhirai shed light on their meaning. The stream of this eternal spiritual truth has continued to flow uninterrupted in the land of Bharat through the unbroken tradition of the 24 Tirthankars, the supreme preachers. Currently, we are under the religious guidance of Lord Mahavir, the last Tirthankar of this time cycle. In the ocean of transmigratory cycle of life and death, the religion is like a boat in which the Tirthankar, being the oarsman, guides us, the mundane souls, to sail across it. In this fifth era of time cycle, Lord Kundakundacharya Dev had gone to the land of Videha and heard the divine preaching of Tirthankar Dev Lord Simandharnath in his assembly for 8 days. That divine sound, known as Onkar Dhwani, made it clear to him that this tradition of Jain religion would remain alive and active till the end of the fifth era. The vision of keeping this tradition uninterrupted and strong is taking a concrete shape in Tirthadham Mangalayatan.
Tirthadham Mangalayatan exists due to the blessings and grace of most revered Kanji Swami.
मंगलायतन में मंगल अवसर याद तुम्हारी आती है, कहाँ गए तुम
Mangalayatan is a place for contemplation for those seeking truth. It is a creation with the blessings of Pujya Gurudev Kanji Swami, his disciple Behin Shri Champaben, and several worthy and knowledgeable souls.
Mangal means purity and Ayatan means place. Therefore, any place that can impart purity and serve as a means to remove sin is Mangalayatan. And every single particle in Tirthadham Mangalayatan is embedded with purity and sacredness.
Mangalayatan is a place that drives away the ill impulses in men and women. This Tirtha is built with the blessings of the omniscient Lord, the holy scriptures, and the enlightened teachers. Mangalayatan is an inspiration for everybody. Mangalayatan is situated on Agra Road near Sasni in the Aligarh district of Uttar Pradesh, India. Sasni is the birthplace of the spiritual poet Pandit Daulat Ram, the author of the revered Chehadhala.
It is a matter of immense pride, not just for Aligarh, but for the entire state, that a holy place like Mangalayatan has come up here.
As soon as you enter Mangalayatan through the magnificent gate known as Singhadwar, you are attracted towards the Dharmadhwaj, the flagpole of the religion. There your attention automatically focuses on the 63 feet high Manastambh. This is the spot where the man of man, his pride, melts away. Modelled on the famous Manastambh of Songarh, the spiritual abode of Pujya Gurudev Shri, it is one of the grandest Manastambhs in the world. At this point, you are irresistibly drawn to the hill ahead, where resides the reigning deity in Mangalayatan, Lord Adinath. It took extraordinary efforts to create this 40 feet high artificial hill named Mount Kailash. There are two paths leading to the top of Mount Kailash, the stairs and the ramp. The ramp has beautiful murals in relief depicting significant auspicious events of the life of Lord Rishabhdev, including his conception, birth, ascension to the throne ceremony, and renunciation ceremony. Eminent sculptor Fakir Chand Parida has created these lively sculptures.
I was fortunate enough to have been given a chance to create all these fiberglass murals here and also in Mahavir temple as well as Bahubali temple. Those elephants too. Pavanji gave me complete freedom.
It enables the old and the infirm pilgrims too to go up and pay obeisance to Lord Adinath.
I was able to go up the hill to pray to Lord Adinath. It gave me much peace.
On the other hand, the staircase provides glimpses of the 6 holiest Jain pilgrimages: Sammed Shikhar, Girnar, Pavapuri, Champapuri, Sonagir and Songarh. Accompanying these scaled-down models of the holy shrines are the marble footprints of the Tirthankars, a sight unique in the country.
Tirthdham Mangalayatan has helped widen the impact of religion. The next generation is benefiting greatly by the periodic spiritual camps held here.
On both sides of Mount Kailash are 2 architectural masterpieces, Lord Mahavir Temple and Lord Bahubali Temple. In the Mahavir Temple, the main deity is Lord Mahavir, sitting in the lotus posture. On either side are the statues of Lord Parshvanath and Lord Shantinath. There are also metal alloy statues of Lord Simandhar Swami and of Lord Mahavir on this magnificent altar. Next to the altar are marble footprints and carvings of Acharya Kunda Dev and Acharya Amrit Chandra Dev. On the walls of the temple are engraved in marble the most significant scriptures of the Jain religion. These are the Prakrit language stanzas of Sri Samaisar, its Hindi version and commentaries. Lifelike fiberglass murals on the walls bring to life the eternal tales of Jainism. From the outside, the Bahubali temple looks like the Mahavir temple. However, on entering, you come face to face with new dimensions of the essence of Jainism. In the center of the altar, in standing posture, is the main deity, Lord Bahubali, on a lotus throne. On either side are the idols of sage Bahubali and sage Bharat Swami in the standing posture. The dome above is painted with various tales of Bahubali. Next to the altar are marble footprints and carvings of Acharya Dharasen Acharya Dev and Muniraj Padma Prabhamal Dhari Dev. The walls are engraved with the texts of Mokshamarg Prakashak and Chehadhala. Mangalayatan has started a project to collect and preserve the rare scriptures, including manuscripts on palm leaves by Jain monks and scholars in Pandit Daulat Ram Jainwani Mandir. Thousands of books have already arrived. Here is an exhibition of paintings of various monks who have contributed to the original Jain scriptures, like Shrut Kevali Bhagwant, the Acharya of Angapurva, the creator of Anuyogs, Pujya Gurudev Shri Kanji Swami, Pujya Bahen Shri Champa Ben and Saugani Ji. In the basement of the building is Acharya Samanta Bhadra Atma Chintan Kendra, where the devotees come for contemplation and meditation on their true spiritual nature. Mangalayatan has set up Lord Mahavir Charitable Dispensary to serve the local community. Every day, over 100 patients receive expert medical care from experienced doctors, UP Chief Minister Mulayam Singh Yadav inaugurated the multi-facility dispensary on 20th December 2003. At the same time, he declared that the area surrounding Mangalayatan will be brought within the jurisdiction of Special Area Development Authority. This will greatly facilitate the proper and speedy development of the area. The area around Tirthadham Mangalayatan is considered sacred. Several Tirthankars, Acharyas and Jain scholars have left lasting impressions here from time to time. Delhi, the capital of India, situated 130 kilometers from Tirthadham Mangalayatan, houses the Ahimsa Sthal, spreading Lord Mahavir's message of non-violence worldwide. Lord Mahavir said, "Time is most precious, changing every moment. How you use it is critical. You will be judged by what you achieve in that time." Also in Delhi is another major Jain complex in the making, the Atma Sadhana Kendra. Just 245 kilometers from Tirthadham Mangalayatan is a major center of Jainism. Jaipur, Pujya Gurudev Shri established the Pandit Todarmal Memorial here. At a distance of 73 kilometers from Tirthadham Mangalayatan is situated Mathura, renowned as Siddha Kshetra, a holy place of ancient times. Mathura is the place where the last Anubaddha Kevali Lord Jambu Swami attained nirvana. Agra, where the spiritual poet Pandit Banarsi Das Ji wrote the timeless marvel Samay Sar Natak. Being in Sonagir is a blissful experience. 195 kilometers from Mangalayatan, this is the holy land of the emancipation of 55 million saints, including Mahamuni Nanga Anang. You can also include Hastinapur in the Mangalayatan itinerary. Hathras, where Sri Neminath Jain Temple is situated, is only 16 kilometers from Tirthadham Mangalayatan. Sasni, the birthplace of Pandit Daulat Ramji, the author of Chehadala, only 5 kilometers from Mangalayatan. Aligarh city itself has two beautiful temples, the Lakshmi Chand Pandya Digambar Jain Temple and the Parshwanath Digambar Jain Panchayati Temple, only 14 kilometers from Mangalayatan. Firozabad, famous for its huge statue of Lord Bahubali, is 110 kilometers from Tirthadham Mangalayatan.
Most of the pilgrims who come here also visit the nearby Sauripur, where the 22nd Tirthankar, Lord Neminath, was conceived and born. And ever since Mangalayatan has come up, most of them also visit there. It has become famous throughout the country for its grandeur.
In Dehradun, there is Sri Kunda Kunda Kahan Digambar Jain Swadhyay Mandir, where hundreds of truth seekers flock to hear Jain masters and scholars. it is approximately 350 kilometers from Tirthadham Mangalayatan. Right faith, right knowledge, and right conduct. The combination of these three jewels constitutes the principles of Jain religion. A long line of acharyas and scholars has propagated this timeless religion in this fifth era. Prominent amongst these are Kundakundacharya Dev, Acharya Samantabhadra, Amrit Chandracharya Dev, Muniraj Padma Prabhamaldhari, Acharya Kalp, Pandit Todarmalji, Kavivar Pandit Daulat Ramji. On the auspicious day of Vaishak Sudi Dooj of the Vikram Samvat 1946, a divine soul was born into the home of Sri Moti Chand and Srimati Ujamba in Umrala of Bhavnagar district in the state of Gujarat, India. That divine soul was none other than our beloved Gurudev Shri Kanji Swami.
अरे मैं ही परमात्मा हूँ, एम अनुभव कर मैं ही परमात्मा हूँ। वितराग सर्वज्ञ देवनी ध्वनिमा, त्रिलोकनाथ परमात्मा, सौ इंद्रनी उपस्थितिना समोसरणमा, लाखों करोड़।
Gurudev Shri used to say, "The real beginning is one in which the achievement of perfection is the aim. Every substance is independent. Therefore, I am also an independent entity. Karma or any outside matter cannot benefit or harm me. Whatever is beautiful and sacred in the universe is within the soul." Tirthadham Mangalayatan is the outcome of inspiration of the very same Gurudev Shri. Mangalayatan is a unique religious center. Promoting universal spiritual growth is its foundation. At the same time, it sincerely aims to spread Jain religion.
समनीर से करूं बिंब प्रचार, श्री जिनवर की भक्ति से जानूं निज परचार। तीर्थंकर का नवन शुभ सुरपति करे महान, पंचमेरु भी हो गए महातीर्थ सुखदान।
Mangalayatan started off as just a dream. The dream started becoming reality as time elapsed. It started taking shape on the vast piece of land of nearly 700,000 square feet. However, like any divine dream, to become reality was by no means an easy task.
From the first day of construction of Mangalayatan till today, all kinds of difficulties have been cropping up. On many occasions, I broke down. But with the rise of Jainism in this era, with the grace of Most Revered Gurudev Shri Kanji Swami, Revered Behen Shri, and enlightened souls, and with the blessings of my revered father, Pandit Kailash Chandraji, every single hurdle got overcome on its own. Our brief for the architectural design of Mangalayatan included the construction of an artificial hill upon which we had to install a huge statue of Lord Adinath. Besides this, there were other temples like the Lord Mahavir Temple, Lord Bahubali Temple, Research Center, Assembly Hall. Many services had to be provided. The first thing Pavanji did was to take us to Songarh, one of the most important Jain complexes, where he stayed with us for 2 days to study its architecture. He wanted this temple to be unique.
The vibrations of the spiritual movement were not only felt amongst the Jain fraternity of Aligarh, but in all corners of the world.
I had heard Mangalayatan's praise from a lot of people. They all said that the place gave them a feeling of peace. Today, I am experiencing it myself.
And then came 6th February 2003, the auspicious day of Pran Pratishtha Panch Kalyanak at Mangalayatan.
Beautiful feast solemnized today at Mangalayatan.
Beautiful feast solemnized today at Mangalayatan.
Today at Mangalayatan. Today at Mangalayatan.
Beautiful feast solemnized today at Mangalayatan.
Beautiful feast solemnized today at Mangalayatan.
Queen Mother saw 16 sweet dreams.
Mother will conceive the God child today at Mangalayatan. Beautiful feast solemnized today at Mangalayatan. Queen Mother gives birth to God child.
We celebrate his birthday today at Mangalayatan.
Panch Kalyanak has given or should give prerna to everybody कि संसार is a सार basically. संसार में कोई सार ही नहीं है. Then why are we always after one thing, one itcha after another? It made us, my husband and I, realize that time बहुत कम है actually और काम बहुत ज़्यादा करना है. And that for 6 months we have it has changed us so much that we have become very much withdrawn ourselves from business and everyday life and trying to spend now more time in Mangalayatan, yes, and more time in Songarh to help us, to achieve this inner peace that we are in search of.
There can be no achievement without proper efforts. The deeper the efforts, the higher the achievement. Proper efforts lead to spiritual development and evolution of the self. Inspired by Kunda Acharya Dev and other great Digamba saints, Mangalayatan has emerged to spread the message of Jainism and to fashion a practical spiritual philosophy of life in today's materialistic world.
I came here to do research. I had heard that Mangalayatan is a great research center where one could benefit from the guidance of eminent scholars of Jainism. But on coming here, I found that Mangalayatan is much more than that. It is changing my inner world as well as my sensibilities. This is not just my feeling. Spend some time here yourself and you will see what I mean. You will find many students, research workers and even teachers saying the same. Mangalayatan provides us with all the activities which influence our spiritual life. We have religious discourses here, teach students, all that is important for spiritual knowledge. This is the ultimate stage of our life. We have no other aim in life except to do what is best for our soul. And I feel there can be no better place for this than Mangalayatan.
Discussion, dialogue and study. Mangalayatan opens all these avenues to inner development. This is coupled with the daily routine that helps the resident seekers to widen their understanding and deepen their perception. The pure ambience of Mangalayatan widens one's inner horizons.
We can see the form of God in Mangalayatan, and one can feel here the vibrations of Lord Mahavir's message of peace and social harmony.
Something very peculiar, something special about Mangalayatan. No, I can't describe it in exact words, but serenity under the open sky is something that you can only feel here.
On Sunday, Guruji was discussing Samyak Darshan, right belief. That discussion led to right knowledge. While replying to Ritesh's question, Guruji explained all three, right belief, right knowledge and right conduct, in detail. Kundakundacharya wrote in Samayasar that right faith in one's own soul is Samyak Darshan, self-realization. Revered Gurudev Shri Kanji Swami preached the essence of this philosophy continuously for 45 years, saying that engrossment in one's own self is self-realization. In addition, Pandit Daulat Ram Ji, in the second stanza of the third chapter of the book Chahdala, said that I am unique and different from any other substance of the universe. He says that this is the nature of Samyak Darshan.
परद्रव्यन्ते भिन्न आप में रुचि सम्यक्त भला है रूप में ओ जान पनो सो सम्यक ज्ञान कला.
The Lord Adinath Vidyaniketan is not just a school. It provides the students with their lodging, boarding and education. Mangalayatan believes that it is shaping the young souls by taking great care of their moral and spiritual development. Students from distant places are currently living and studying here. You can also be a part of these students' welfare by contributing to the expenses incurred on their stay and education. A canteen has also been set up here, serving pure Jain vegetarian food to these students and visiting pilgrims. The present grandeur of Mangalayatan has been possible with the hard work and dedication of hundreds of devotees who braved every possible trouble and hurdle. This mammoth artificial hill, the high-rising Manastambh, and various marvelous structures like Mahavir and Bahubali temples were built with utmost care and precision. The whole complex took shape in just 2 years, brick by brick, structure by structure, statue by statue, almost a miracle.
सर्व विशुद्ध सुज्ञानमय सदात्मा जाने जपित सुनाम।
Mangalayathan's fame is spreading fast at home and abroad. Visitors are flocking to it in increasing numbers. But it is only a beginning. The future holds higher dreams, bolder plans, bigger achievements.
We have many plans for the future. We are building a guest house to accommodate over 400 pilgrims. A residential colony called Kahan Nagar is also in the pipeline. People who desire can buy flats and live here. We are also planning a replica of Trilok Rachana, which will display the three worlds, the upper, middle and lower worlds as known in Jain cosmology. A research institute is also coming up in Mangalayathan that would house over 10,000 books. We are also creating an exhibition of Acharya Kundukunda Dev of a kind that does not exist anywhere in India. In it, we will display his previous and present lives. I am fully confident that Mangalayathan will accomplish the goals and live up to the promises for which it has been established. The establishment of Mangalayathan in our area has created a lot of enthusiasm and hope amongst the people. Besides a pilgrimage center, it has given us a dispensary and a school. The grand picture that Mangalayathan presents today was unimaginable in its initial stages. Plans kept getting formed, the complex kept coming up. There were many moments when we had doubts, how will we manage? Huge finances were required. But such was the help and cooperation of everyone, from spiritual seekers, the Jain community from India and abroad, that not for a single moment we had to stop the work or felt stuck with the problems or hurdles. It is constantly progressing towards completion and growth. Several plans are going to unfold in the near future.
When imagination takes flight, it is difficult to curtail or contain. Devotion to omniscient Lord, spiritual teacher and holy scripture, experiments on a spiritualized way of life in this world, these are the ways that would benefit humanity at large. Whether it is a musical presentation of Samay Sar, or the dynamic website of Mangalayathan, or the study center, every activity receives the same focused and minute attention to detail. A monthly magazine called Mangalayathan is being published since September 2001. Besides updates on the activities and developments at Mangalayathan, it carries excellent content regarding all dimensions of Jainism. Mangalayathan offers transcendental bliss, inner peace and spiritual growth. Come and visit this Tirtha with your family and friends. Share in the glorious task of preserving and promoting Jain religion till the end of the 5th era. Experience the bliss and the blessedness. Jai Jinendra.
आदि प्रभु का वीर प्रभु का बाहुबली जी का आयतन आदि प्रभु का वीर प्रभु का आदि प्रभु का वीर प्रभु का बाहुबली जी का आयतन आदि
प्रभु का वीर प्रभु का बाहुबली जी का आयतन मंगलमय रे कहान गुरु का मंगलायतन मंगलमय रे कहान गुरु का मंगलायतन ऋषभ देव सादर वंदन ध्यान मात्र से भक्त जनों के मिटेंगे सब भव दुख क्रंदन मंगलमय रे कहान गुरु का मंगलायतन 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 मंगलमय रे कहान गुरु का
Tirthadham Mangalayatan needs your continued support. Bhagwan Shri Adinath Vidyaniketan Educational Aid. Complete education per student. Education for a year per student. Bhagwan Mahavir Dharmarth Aushadhalay. Medical aid. Annual support 11,000 rupees. Monthly support 1,100 rupees. Atithi Bhojan Shala, food aid for students. Lifelong support 1 day per annum 51,000 rupees. 1 day meals including breakfast 5,100 rupees. 1 time meal 2,100 rupees. 1 time breakfast 1,100 rupees. Mangalayatan magazine. Annual subscription including postage 500 rupees in India. $50 or 35 UK pounds. Tirthadham Mangalayatan Dhruv Pujan Tithi. Mangalayatan Dhruv Pujan, all temples 5,100 rupees. Bhagwan Adinath Swami Temple Dhruv Pujan 1,100 rupees. Bhagwan Mahavir Swami Temple Dhruv Pujan 1,100 rupees. Bhagwan Bahubali Swami Temple Dhruv Pujan 1,100 rupees. Bhagwan Adinath Manastambh Temple Dhruv Pujan 1,100 rupees. In addition, you may contribute any amount at your own discretion for continued progress at Tirthadham Mangalayatan. Every donation made in the name of Sri Adinath Kundakunda Kahan Digambar Jain Trust attracts exemption from income tax under Section 80G of the IT Act 1961. Tirthadham Mangalayatan Sri Adinath Kundakunda Kahan Digambar Jain Trust, Aligarh, Agra Marg, Sasni 204216, Aligarh, UP, India. Phone 91571 222 3391. Head Office Vimalanchal, Harinagar, Agra Marg, Aligarh 202001, UP, India.